Hi there, my name is Jack here at Stafford Audi. Today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi S7 Black Edition with the Tiptronic gearbox. Now, this particular example is finished in the ultra blue metallic paintwork, which is absolutely suit the S7 and gives it that menacing road appearance. Now, as we look towards some of the key features, the S7 does feature a 3-litre TDI turbo engine, which has produced up to 344 PS and 700 Nm of torque, taking you from 0 to 62 in just 5.1 seconds. Moving towards the front of the S7 now, we notice these exceptional LED headlights. Now, these are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the wheels, we do find the Audi S specific 20-inch cast aluminium 5 double-arm design wheels. They do really stand out against that lovely blue paintwork. To the side now, there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view and carries on this overall black and blue theme. As we look into the rear boot space of the S7, we find up to 535 litres of storage capacity. It's a large amount for a vehicle of this size. It can easily accommodate up to 3 larger suitcases, as well as a few additional shopping bags. As we move into the rear seats, we find a full quilted Napa leather Audi interior with the diamond leather stitching. There is even a leather sense armrest, which is folded down to present 2 useful cup holders, and there is even a digital dual zone climate control for the rear passengers. As we move into the front, the luxurious cabin does continue with a host of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica for the door cards and carbon fibre inlays. With it being the black edition, you get the full black leather seats with the Audi S logo. Now above there is the virtual cockpit, and this does feature the Audi Sports Rev counter, as well as so you can access satellite navigation, telephone connectivity, radio stations and important driving data such as fuel consumption. Looking towards the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation. You can also use this to access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to use the various other maps available. As you look just down from this, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is touch sensitive, and there are heated seats either side of this for both front passengers.